Good afternoon, Frank Cochran here, Cochran Family Farm. It's another blustery day out, wet and rainy. We're getting kind of used to that. However, it's an absolute perfect day to be working here inside the greenhouse. Julie and I are working on a project. Julie, tell us a little bit what you're doing.
I'm getting our herb gardens ready. They're for a project we're participating in with a school fundraiser. So we've grown all the herbs here on the farm, of course, so it's certified organic. Got parsley, basil, chives, and oregano.
Excellent. There's some of the finished product over there that we're going to have going out in a couple weeks once they've had a chance to grow. They'll look a whole lot bigger. And just a few of the transplants we got going on in this greenhouse, and the other big greenhouse has a bunch more. You can see down the aisles there even more. We're starting to run out of space in the seating room and the kitchen and the living room and the den, so just thought we'd bring you up to speed on what we're doing here on a Monday, and hope you all have a wonderful day and happy gardening.